Now, if you're experiencing issues with Geometry Dash not opening or crashing on your iPhone running iOS 17, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps to resolve this problem. So, firstly, open the App Store in order to update your Geometry Dash. So, after you search for Geometry Dash in App Store, make sure you have the latest version of Geometry Dash installed from the App Store. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performances. So, after you do that, simply go back to the settings. So now inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, scroll down and tap on background app refresh and make sure it is turned off. So after that, go back to the settings again or general again. So now inside the general, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. And inside iPhone storage, look for your Geometry Dash app and tap on it. So after you tap on Geometry Dash, you'll get to see the offload app option available there. Offloading an app removes the app from your device while keeping its data intact. Now, after uploading the app, reinstall it from the App Store. This can sometimes resolve issues related to corrupted app data. So, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues with Geometry Dash not opening or crashing on your iPhone running iOS 17. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.